We are in Dollar General now because we need to get our paints for painting the ornaments tonight. Hopefully they have red, green, white, and blue, and brown. If not, we'll be having to go to Walmart. I forgot to get it last night when we were at Walmart. Okay, what do we got? Brown, green. Oh, here's red. We'll get that red. Do they have a green that big? We'll just get 2 of these greens. So that's fine.
Wait, I think I see green. Okay.
Oh yeah, good, Cece. There's a white. So we got green, red, and white.
Yeah, but all there is these little rounds.
Yeah, I think that'll be enough brown and blue, you think? Yeah, we'll get a couple of these. We might need yellow. I guess we'll just do these brushes. We're getting everything set up. I have tissue paper here that I think I'm just gonna put all on top of the, you know what, Sissy? You're right, let's take the tablecloth off. This needs to be washed anyway. I can't remember how big the tree was last year. Are we gonna have big ornaments or small ones this year? I can't remember. Last year,
I think they're gonna be about this big.
Last year we decorated smaller ornaments, I remember. We got 2 of these little pallets to put paint on, so we'll just set everything up here. Let's see, what else can we put this stuff in? We'll go ahead and open them too, Cece. That way when we get ready to decorate, everything's already opened and ready.
Yeah.
Once we get this set up, I'll make the sliders and we'll eat first, then decorate the ornaments. Okay, that's opened up good enough, I think. You already opened the green?
Yes.
Okay. Green, red, white. I remembered one year somebody wanting yellow, so that's why I went ahead and got this little yellow one. Yellow, blue, and brown. Get us a little cup to stand the paintbrushes up in and a cup for water. We need to get a water cup. Actually, we'll probably need 2 water cups, 1 at each end. That way everybody's able to reach the water cup. Huh?
Why do I need to change my shirt?
Because we're going to be painting ornaments in just a little bit. I don't want you to get it on your shirt you wear for church.
We got these glued up.
Here it is, the tree. Yeah, whoever gets the bottom slices will have nice big ones. They'll all be good size though. It doesn't get really little until up here. It's got a crack in it.
It's really dry.
It's okay though?
Yeah, it's fine.
The crack doesn't start until, it looks like an elephant.
It's just really, it's been drying for a year,
Yeah.
so.
I think some of them had some cracks anyway, like let's see. Yeah, see, this is Jake's from 2022. It had a little crack.
They're all gonna crack, baby, because this wood dries.
Yeah, this one, oh yep, this one has the same deal. This must have been from 2022 too. Jonah's from 22, yep. Just imagine, last year on Thanksgiving Day, we were bringing this in full of greenness. All right, we've got the table set up for the ornaments. Over here, I have all the extra Christmas candy and stuff that we have left. And we're just gonna have chips with the sliders. So I have those out. I also put out these little Christmas tree things that I got from Aldi and the rest of the little gingerbread cookies. Over here, we're gonna start making the sliders. It's raining outside, so we can't do them on the black stone. I was thinking about making these Norwegian, I think they're cookies. I don't know. I watched a few videos about them. The recipe's in this Jolly Holidays Gooseberry Patch cookbook. They're called Norwegian Kringles. So I looked it up because it has it in the breakfast section. So I was wondering if it was like a roll or a Danish type thing. By the ingredients, it kind of seemed like a cookie. So I looked up some videos on them, and it seems like what they call Kringle in this book, some people call Kringla instead of Kringle. And the Kringle is like a flat thing with fruit filling or different fillings, and the Kringla, on the videos anyway, is what this is, the figure 8 shaped thing, but this calls them Kringle. So if y'all know more about it, let me know. Can you call them either one? Can you call it Kringle or Kringla, and is Kringle either thing? I don't know. And is it like a cookie? This says, Grandma made these Norwegian treats for us often. Now my mom makes them for the grandkids at Christmas and birthdays. They're so yummy, served warm with butter. So that made me think it was kind of like a roll or something. But it's in the breakfast, the early morning breakfast section. Sissy's trying to guess a present back there. Jonah this morning was shining flashlights, trying to see if he could see through the wrapping paper. We're waiting on all the boys pretty much, except Titus and Manly. Tyler and Jonah went to put hay out for the horses, and Cody and Jake went to the store for me to get some more ground beef and lettuce and tomato, because I forgot the lettuce and tomato. Tyler and Jonah are back. Oh, we need to slice the ornaments, Tyler. Daddy was waiting on you to get here for us to figure out about the slicing of the ornaments. See, many moons ago, many moons ago, as Tyler was driving the dually up the mountain, the chainsaw was resting peacefully on the back. As he reached his destination to trim branches off of a fence line, he realized the chainsaw was no more. It fell off somewhere along the mountainside. What about that? I forget what it's called, but I've seen y'all using another little thing. Jonah brought us a black and green Sharpie down because he said we need black. After the boys finished sawing them off, we sand them. Jonah called the first cut this time. Let's see it, Jonah. Beautiful.
I called the second cut.
Sissy got the second one. You need 3 more. I have more to sand. You ready to sand your ornament? You gotta sand it before you paint it.
Yeah.
You sit right here. Which one do you want?
This little one on
The
top.
little one? Okay. Now you take this, turn it this way, and you rub. Are you gonna paint this side or this side? This side's probably better. Yeah, it's already a little smoother.
And you know it's Christmas when the snow starts to fall. Then you know it's Christmas for the children above all. Then you know it's Christmas 'cause Santa's on his way. We're standing under the mistletoe, and then it's Christmas Day.
Mom, I need some more blue.
You need more blue?
Yeah, I'm making the blue sky. How can I need more blue? Because I know.
Blue, man, blue.
Jake's doing his traditional wreath.
Sissy, eye.
Tyler's embarking on something brand new, he said. Jonah and Cody are still thinking, or do you know what you're making, Jonah?
Jonah's always the
Making clouds in the sky.
I'm thinking about doing a blue.
What are you doing, Cece?
I'm doing a secret.
Oh, okay.
All right, either mine can be a blizzard.
Now I need some white to paint the clouds. Oh, it's a Christmas tree.
Oh, that's pretty. No, mine's not secret. I'm doing tree.
You're almost done, sweetie.
Yeah, I just need the clouds, but I have
I did this one like I think last year or something, but it got lost.
Why
somehow,
has to
so I'm gonna do it
wait?
again.
Because I want to make the clouds right now. But no, why ain't it making the clouds?
You gotta let the blue dry. If you try to put it on there right now, it just mixes with the blue.
I was going to do a sleigh here, but ended up being almost like a red bam. Who was it on the Flintstones?
Yeah, the little boy that.
No, the dinosaur.
Oh, Dino.
Dino. It's a red Dino. I didn't even look at him.
What you
Bob Ross always starts by painting this canvas white.
Okay.
That's right. Are you gonna go play while it dries?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I'll put on the clouds and wait for it to dry.
Okay.
Everybody's doing a good job this year, and I'm sitting over here like Dino's throwing up. What have I done?
Or he's breathing out fire like a fire breath.
I don't know what happened here, y'all. This is an unusual deal. What I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna bling this thing up a little bit.
Oh yeah.
See,
Just
now
add glitter.
now
That
it's
makes it better. Jake's doing wreath. I feel like Jake's winning so far. Tyler's starting out with midnight black over here. What are you doing, Jonah?
Secret.
Oh, Jonah's is a secret.
lumps and sound.
Beautiful.
Yeah, there's snow clouds.
Yeah, do snow clouds. Yeah, very good. It's snowing. It's snowflaking.
That one big one.
Oh, yeah.
Daddy, mine's done. Mine's all done. But there's one more snowflake. Come and look at it.
I like what you doing right there.
It's already done.
Man.
And there's one big snowflake.
Woo.
Wait, I need to flatten that one down. Oh, there it goes. I'll flatten it.
When heart and soul were both at ease, that Christmas night.
That's beautiful.
Need more of.
Alright, y'all. Ornaments are, I'm pretty sure most of them are dry except maybe Tyler's and Manly's. Tyler finished his last, and Manly has a gigantic snowflake flattened down right there. So here's Tyler's, Manly's, Sissy's, and she changed hers to Snoopy's doghouse. It does look like Snoopy's doghouse. Tyler told her that's what it looked like, so she changed it. And then we have Jake's. He put an M in there for Moss. This one's mine. This one's Jonah's. Y'all know whose this one is. This one's Cody's, and then we had an extra one. And so Sissy just made a really sparkly blue one out of that. I think they're all great this year. When they dry, we'll spray them just to clear coat them so it'll keep them from getting messed up. Because some of our first ones I didn't do that with, and they started fading really bad. So now we spray them with that clear coat, and then we'll drill a little hole in each one so we can put the string through to hang them on the tree. I'm watching the Walton's Christmas movie. It's time to pick a winner for the Prancer giveaway. Entry time ended at 7:30 p.m. We're gonna do a keyword because all you had to do to enter was shout out Prancer. So we're gonna put Prancer in there. Continue. It's loading the comments. Ooh, there were a lot of comments on that one. Okay. Oh, I thought it was done. Not done yet. We're ready to pick a winner. Nancy Beth, you are the winner. So leave me a comment down below and we'll figure out how to get in touch with you to get you your waffle maker, or if you choose the $25 gift card to Walmart instead, we'll get that sent over to you. Congratulations. Everybody else stay tuned. Prancer has more giveaways coming and you never know when they're gonna be, so make sure you watch all the videos and all the way to the end so you don't miss his giveaway announcements.
When everything is white, glimmering silver white, and stillness fills the night, it's Christmas, a winter wonderland, a snowball in each hand. Take me away, Christmas Day. There's joy in the air, families near. We give thanks for this past year. Oh, nothing compares to the love that we share.
And that's the ultimate.